Yo, my dog. Officer with a line. I want surrender. Bumbo clock, me killer. Shot a Sho0ck in me dog. Squaddy. When I win, man. Yes. 13 of my daughter birthday here, and that's why I do this. Please. Officer, I'm not work. So, I just ask if you're lenient here.
You know how long me and your mother want if you leave friend and company alone. You change all your name to Hotter Than Killy.
People production.
You have a look in there, you know, I tell you the truth in a youth. You're silly, Billy.
Why you say that?
Why me say that?
Welcome to Live TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lion, speak up on yourself. I hope all is well. I know a lion foot the man of pace. I will set the violence out the streets. Yes, man, a brand new week. Big up to each and everyone who live to see it. And I mean, if you're listening to this vlog now, Mr. Blessings, long life and prosperity. Saying, yeah, man, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. If you decide to do it, so make sure you click all so you won't miss out. Get the alert when I upload, make an upload. Saying, what you say, no, pure positiveness we deal with, you see me? And try to make out of people bad, we try to bring out the good reasoning, you see it? Yeah, man, so in this episode, you have about five men who are now in custody, locked up. Some of them are nursing wounds in hospital and a police guard. And I mean, after there was them go up on a robbery, you know, and some in a spal in there, and them have some hostage, and then police ended up them surrender, lock up themselves in a place and surrender, bar for them life. Go TikTok live, and where I tell you about TikTok, you know. Yo, my viewers and subscribers, I could see what go on, but I hope the youths them, the younger generation, them, I use this again as a learning process, a stepping stone to stay away from violence. When you want to go rob, when you want money, go look on the hard work, because real one of them I say, I have a daughter. Why I'm going to do it in my daughter? And then, you see me, but, you know, I think if you go look at honest bread, you know, why me I tell you, bounty killer tell us anytime, you know, them hungry again if you see them now.
Them so anytime, we hungry again, them are going to see we nine. Police.
I feel the viewers and subscribers. Therefore,
Yo, Lion Foot, TV, station, them have to know what go on. We fix up the whole nation and the whole works. Kaboom, calm down. Ayo, cross tell them blunt lord. I yabba you, this is not bounty killer. Big up killer. Yabba you, the black like a clock, them have to know what go on. Kaboom, calm down. Me have the eagle and check me so the girl around me. Me all purpose, me angle them vicious. Dash. Bang. Yo, don't pull it over, man.
Shut up, dog. Please, man. Make them friend get shot, dog. Friend get shot. Friend get shot, dog.
Yo, watch out on the killer. Serious matter going on right now. Everybody pump here. Watch out on the Maddest side. Angel. Shave page. Watch out. Yo, my dog. Officer with a line. I want surrender. Bumbo clock, me killer. Shot a Sho0ck in me dog. Hold on, me and lick out in that, me bone. Oh. Can't even control him.
imagine them in a desperate measure right now, and the man go like, you know, Maddest live. You next to that ball, all of them lick out a ball around there. And contract lick here, yeah, boy ball. Fun and joke aside still, I right thing them do. If them not, I right thing them do for go live, to save them life.
See it, I'll show you a cut next. Turn on. See it, dog. All I think, dog. Not the boy thing, dog. Share for life. Officer. Squaddy. On a win, man.
Officer, on a win, man. You see a gunshot make boy ball, so pain. Me don't want to feel a gunshot. That's why I stay on the right side. I'm the man of peace. You see me? But anyway, you hear the brother say, officer, on a win. So, when you make up a choice to go up on robbery or works, remember, think twice before you make that choice. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Me personally just glad that no one got unalive on this day. You know what I mean? Whether the innocent civilians, them citizens, them, nor the culprits, them. You see me? Yeah, man.
Officer, wait, officer.
Officer, please. Officer, hold on.
Come here. Try to get to them, man. Try to get to them, man.
Come out now, officer. Hold on. Officer, come out and do it.
Try to get to them, man. Make them kill you.
You see how them in a fear and a beg and a ball, and man I say, Jano star, no, I didn't kill me. You see me? But if them hold somebody innocently also, them quick for bust them head. But you see now them in a one predicament, them don't want to lose their life. You see me? Every man want body, no, but no man don't want to die.
Let's slide over there.
Boy, they know.
Pull the door, officer.
Yo. Oh, me tell you, dog. Yo. I cook something for us. Let me tell you, dog. I go on easy. Disappointing to youth. Killer. Sh0ck at the youth.
Here him at the end, him look like him born in 40s, you know. Sh0ck God. Disappointing to youth. Good all him family them depend on my life him a talk to, or him kids them. But you can't tell a man if you do a man hungry, them want to look them food, you know, it's either either. But I rather go look my 9 to 5, you know. You see me, big up youth them with a wife carry class. You see me, and big up the people them who I do what I have to do them honest bread, you know. But again, I can't tell a man where to go do for make for them hustling, especially me, because I now be forget a man or a minor man, so I can't tell a man where to go do. He's to them own choice, you know what I mean? As a bounty killer, I say anytime, I'm hungry if I see me 9.
Them say anytime, we hungry again, them a go see we 9.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, I done sorry my say already and give my views on it. I'm going to play a long 6-minute video now where someone recorded on their phone, full live, so you can watch it and let me know what you think at the end. And don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. See you, please and thanks. I'm going to check out the song, Dumb and Stupid. I'm going to leave the link pinned in the comment section. A single me do. A good while now, is it? Yeah, man, listen to the message and let me know what you think. Blessed love.
If I had to pick somebody for knockouts, I would have to say
Officer, I'm telling you, life, you know. See, before you get mistake. I'm not going, you know. 13, I'm a daughter birthday here. And that's why I do this. Please. Officer, I'm not work, officer. Do not make officer. So, I just ask if you're lenient, here.
He literally was like knocked out.
You want to put it on the
I love watching you, bro. Tara, you remind me of Ariana. She's petite.
Oh, they say really I'm murder way. Officer, we're not armed enough to take out
people away. So I'm really proud of you, bud.
Officer, just do. What time I'm going to do, man? Just
who is the winner of this knockout?
What?
The winner of this knockout.
I'm fine, how can I? Watch it, see the photo, yeah. Right here, my place. Yo.
I picked something because
we can't say that.
he's unique. He reminds me of a mix between Bruno Mars and Michael Jackson. I'm so proud to be on your team.
No, my father, I tell him, I'll tell my father, I tell him, I just have a big mistake, man. So I think we
Coaches on their mind that Jeremy is available to steal.
no, we're not take the police for one.
Never imagined that I'd be standing in front of you, one of the most talented people I've ever met. I'm just so grateful. Give it up one more time.
I'm sorry.
If no one bangs that button, you think they're not
I'm sorry, man. Yeah? But I'm sorry, I'm not sure about
I use my skill in the journey because I seen something I can help him with.
I'm skeptical to come and do it again.
To where you can have a big moment, subtle moments, certain tender stuff that can really do you. When it comes to the playoffs, Team Swift really got me on the edge of my seat. I was emotionally connected to the ball team because I know these artists that I love with. And just seeing them take those steps and becoming the best. Has been brutal. From 5 to only 2. When everyone is so
yeah, my defense test. So my police are different. I'm mad at the point like, yo, you're even a big one disappointment. Brother, swords and everything. I need to, sorry now.
Thank you, guys. I used to look at people that were 34 and be like, they're so old, and now I'm 32, and I can't believe it.
Yo, buddy, hold on. Yo, what up? Hold on. Please, pull him, man. Just pull on. Think they're right there, sir. Yo, man is... Yo, pull him. Yeah? No, let's go. Yo, man, you don't get the fire. You can't say no, no, make somebody out there come. I'm saying this guy, I'm saying this guy. Yo, no, but no. Yo, watch out, man. See gun them, that's man. We ain't the thing that I think for them. Squad, see gun them, I do.
How embarrassing it is, eh? You're the big man, them. Why am I tell you? As I say, I'm glad no one lost their lives, and you know, sometimes people deserve a second chance, and maybe some of them can go to jail and rehabilitate and change them life, you know. You one of them say him daughter 13, and that's why I'm going to do it, him and go rob, you know what I mean? You could have do something different, Papa, man. Come on, man. Could have do something different, more than, you know. A year next man say him mother dead upon the live I watch. Yeah, man said this a big old disappointment. Why me I tell you? But again, each to them own, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, lion foot, the man of peace. Blessed love. And I'm going to say this again. I hope the younger youths them see this and don't fall in the same predicament. You know what I mean? Don't make the same mistake. Use this as a learning process. And the parents will show them younger ones this. You know what I mean? I say, see it? Them could have lose them life. And them parents now the money to bury them. And them could have go give them 3 pints easily. But well done to the police them. And they don't know. The men them do the right thing by going live to save them life. That's what I say. The man of peace. Big up on yourself.
You're no bad and wicked. You're dumb and stupid, boy. See, don't know you're incarcerated. You're no bad and wicked. You're dumb and stupid. And alive, you should have dead, but me God is still alive.